So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the real estate theme with the real estate pro add-on. We're going to set up the menu, the featured image, the front page, and the front page section. We're not going to get into details about the properties and whatnot. That will be the next video. Okay, so let's get started. First things first, I'll assume that you have the real estate theme already installed. If not, just search it on WordPress.org and it's free. Download and activate it. The next thing you need to do is install the Real Estate Pro plugin. So this one you need to have bought from my site, thepixeltribe.com. What you need to do is add new plugin, upload. You choose a file, then whatever you downloaded it from, you select and upload it. Right? Then activate plugin. In this tutorial, I'm going to use demo data from this site. I've already given you access to this data via an XML file that you can find in the tutorial or in the link below. So what we need to do right now is, after installing that plugin, we need to install the other plugins that come with that plugin. Alright, so that's Contact Form 7 and Kirky. Right. Kirky is used in the customizer, just adds a bit more controls, and Contact Form 7, well, that does exactly what it says as a contact form. So wait for this to install. All right. Remember, after installing the plugins, we need to activate them. So we return to required plugins installer and we hit activate, apply. There we go. Now the next thing you need to do is go to tools, import WordPress. Alright, it needs to import that plugin first. It's taking a while. Run importer. Choose file. It should be an XML file. Mine is called Real Estate WordPress 2017, April 26th, and just open that. Upload and import. Make sure you download all attachments. Select that button. I'm just gonna assign that to admin because I've run this before. A lot of things are going to fail, but it's okay. The next thing you need to do is go to pages. Where all the pages at? Oh, I trashed them. So let's just restore that. So next thing you need to do is go to pages and you realize you have about us. You have all these new pages here. What we need to focus on right now is homepage. You select homepage. Then on templates, right here, we make sure we change it from default template to front page pro. That is important. If you miss this step, nothing is going to work. Right, so then we go to appearance and customize. Right, so right now what we want to do is we want to sort out the front page section. So instead of going to just front page section, we go to sort front page section. And then just literally with any of them, just activate one, then deactivate it. It's just going to jumpstart everything. All right. Then we go to front page section. Then we start on services. You can change the title here to anything you want. Call it services. Subheading is sub, and then we select the pages that correspond to those services. Remember, the pages are already created. Yeah, you need to come here after you've created the pages. So we selected commercial and whatnot. Let's see. Right, here's the thing though. You notice that we can't see the homepage section. You can only see the header. This is because I missed a step, and that step is here, static front page. Then you choose a static page, then you select a home page. That is very, very important. The home page that we set the template as front page pro. Remember that. And then now we have everything. Everything just sort of magically appears. Great, isn't it? Alright, so the next thing we need to do is go to front page section, and from here everything is well labeled. It just does what it says. Property listing, we'll have this section here with the title there. We can just change it to something like featured listings. Then we can only just show featured properties like so, and say let's change number to 3 and hit save. So if you refresh this page, remember, there it goes, featured listings, and it's only showing featured posts, and it's going to only show 3 of them. So you do the same thing for latest news, which is a blog. You do the same thing for testimonials, and we do the same thing for contacts. Now I'm going to show you how to set up this contact page here. What you need to do, first things first, is go to contact section, right? Then on contact section, we need, first of all, you need to have set up the contact form on contact form 7. So what we need to do is we need to get the form ID, this right here, or this, just that. That is all we need to do. So that's 302. So okay, that's already 302 here, and we get that. If we didn't have that, it's going to show us a 404 error, form not found. You see, we get a 404 error, so we need to have 302. Yours will be different. Yours will definitely be different. It can be 74, it can be any other number. Just make sure you input there. Then this is a corresponding page right here, and hit save. And that's about it when it comes to the front page. Now the next thing I want to show you how to do is properties. When you're on the dashboard, you just go to properties. I'm not going to add a new property. I'm just going to show you with one that's already here. So let's use that one. So this is the properties title up here. This is the properties description. This is the location, which you need to add yourself, that will correspond to whichever area you're at. You need to add that. And then we see the amenities here. You need to add them as well. Select whichever ones apply to this property. What's going on here? So you should not be having this custom fields should not be shown like this. Right.